What's up, peeps? Out here on this absolutely gorgeous day. It's sunny and warm. It's beach-like weather, you know. Got us a little heat exchanger to do today. And this old carrier, I'm not going to film it, you know, because I need to be able to feel my fingers and work and not have to handle the phone. So, hey, stay warm. Hope you guys are having a blast. Remember to have a positive attitude, all right? It's only work. It's only... You get warm again at some point, all right? Get through it fast. You're all done. Hey, until next time, take care of yourself. Smile, be happy. Deuces. One last thing. If you do want to see a carrier